Hello guys, you are welcome once again to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trade I caught today, and I'm going to give you a breakdown of how I was able to find this particular entry. All right, so follow me carefully and let's see this. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. All right, so that this channel will grow because I'll be giving you more insightful content. All right, so subscribe to the channel. So quickly on the 4-hour time frame, what the particular strategy I use is to get more confirmation using support and resistance together with trend line to find my area of value or my point of interest, right? I wanted confluence, which gives me give us more confirmation, all right? Gives us more confirmation as to enter the trade. So right on the 4-hour time frame, I noticed that coming down from here, all right, coming down from here, the price came down, went up, retested here, came all the way here. Let me get it off. Let me delay this part and get it off. The price came down, went up, formed something like a double bottom here. Have you seen that? A double bottom here, which means signaling a reversal. All right. From here we saw a lower low, lower high. All right. We saw a lower low, a lower high here. All right. It tells us the trend is in a downtrend currently from this side. All right. Then we notice an equal low over here. All right. Then we notice this is what? A double bottom pattern. All right. It tells us that the price is likely to reverse. All right, so I noticed that when the price got here, all right, you notice that the direction of the trend has changed. Let me show you up. If you don't have forensic eyes, let me show you from here. All right, so you notice the price went up, try to retest, now going up. All right, so it's forming a lower high at this point. All right, so it gives me signal that the direction of this market is changing. All right, so quickly I noticed the market is going to reverse or change direction. So what I did is go down to the 1-hour time frame to find better setups. So let's go down to the 1-hour time frame. So I came down to the 1-hour time frame. Then I noticed, of course, at this particular point, going from this particular point, you notice the price seems to be going up, goes up, comes here, tries to consolidate at this point, but at least you are forming some using that. So at this point seems to be in a range, but the price rose all the way from here. All right, you can see confirm the bottom also from here. All right, also from here came down. All right, then went up, came down, went up, so which signals a reversal or change in the direction of the market. All right, so right when I saw that, the next thing I would do is to find the area of value. All right, is to find the area of value at this point. So quickly, what do? I will look for my support zone. All right, but I think I did something first. I was trying to confirm with my trend line. All right, yeah, so I drew my trend line through here. Yeah, exactly. And the trend line should have at least 2 touches. So 1 touch, 2 touches, 3, 4. All right. Then from this point, I noticed that, of course, okay, yeah, let's have a good touch here. Yeah, of course, this trend line is well drawn. As you can see, 1 touch, 2, 3, 4. All right, it tells us it's a good confirmation. Then I noticed at this point, see this particular point. All right, the price came down, tried to test, then broke. All right, like this. So this particular point can be a good resistance zone. This particular point can be a good resistance zone. All right, but because the market has changed direction, all right, because the market has changed direction, what I did is to note this particular area as my area of value, this particular side. All right, so this is what I do. I draw this. All right, then I draw this. You should touch this point. All right, because this place also acted as resistance here, then touch this point. So this became my area of what? Of value. All right, then the next thing I did, because I'm seeing a confluence here, all right, this particular point, it broke through the trend line, all right, and also fell in my resistance zone. All right, so what I will do now is to see this place as my good area of value, all right, and enter long or go long. Then I move down to the 30 minutes time frame, see the confirmation, as you can see. All right, this is a good place of confirmation. All right, the trend line, it broke. All right, came down to retest this point, and it's also at a good resistance zone. And I know the trend has signaled a reversal from the 4-hour time frame, so I definitely had to enter long at this point. At this particular point, I enter long. Where did I enter long? I think here. I think at this point, this is where it started. This particular point. So right after this candle closed, right after this particular candle closed, I enter long, all right, and put my take profit and stop loss somewhere here. Then all of a sudden, the price began to reverse against me. All right, the price moved one in my favor like this, went in my favor, reversed against me, did not hit my stop loss, then the price went up. Are you seeing that? currently, as I'm recording this video, I've closed my trade. All right, I closed the trade in profit. All right, so